guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sylvia. I hope you're all doing amazing as usual. Today's video is going to be about a Nykaa haul. Now I have been waiting a very long time. I had ordered quite a few things and they get delivering in like one at a time or like 2 or 3 things at a time. So it took quite some time and then I got busy with different things. So also guys, it's my birthday and I have no plans. So I'm going to tell you a bit about myself and what I usually do on my birthdays and all of that. But before we get into the actual video, if you guys are new to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. I almost upload weekly videos on topics like food, styling, beauty, skincare hacks and also travel at times. So if these are the contents that interest you, then do consider subscribing. All you gotta do is hit that little subscribe button and press the little bell icon next to it so you get a notification every time I upload. So let's get started. It's my birthday. I turned 30 today and I cannot tell you how that makes me feel. Like, of course the feeling is overwhelming because I have finally reached a stage where of course like I have been independent for a very long time, but 30 I think is something every person looks forward to. It impacts you emotionally, it impacts you as a person a lot. I cannot define it, but it does. I feel so much more confident, I feel so much more less affected by opinions in my life and all of that given together, Unfortunately this year I'm not home and my birthday has always been pretty much a very private affair to me because I'm not one of those persons who has like these notifications where people get notified that it's my birthday and they wish me. So it's a very few people who actually know and remember that it's my birthday, and it means so much to me when they wish me because I know that they have made an effort and actually remembered to wish me on my birthday, so it makes it all the more special. So I did have a plan of going and seeing a friend. Unfortunately his flight got cancelled, so I'm going to see him tomorrow. So as of now, what I have is one of my friends sent me this cake. It's a lovely cake. I literally did not want to cut the cake alone. Like this cake, it arrived yesterday and I did not cut it because I was like, you know what, I don't want to cut a cake alone. So I was waiting for a few of my colleagues to turn up. They wanted to be with me on a Zoom call, which was very nice and sweet of them. So probably will do that. If not, I will just end up cutting it by myself. So that is that. And second of all, like this title says, it is going to be a Nykaa haul. Now I've ordered a Brazilian things, like, okay, not maybe a Brazilian things, but quite a few things which I had been waiting to try and review. So I'm not going to review them on this video because it's going to make it very lengthy, which I don't want. I'm just going to tell you what are the things I have bought and why I have bought them. So yeah, without further talks, let's get right into it. So today, just to be civilized, I have actually opened the boxes. I think I just have one which I did not open because this just arrived today. So the first thing which I was really super excited about and I've always been waiting to get this is this is the Macafane Raw Naked Cappuccino and Coffee Face Mask. This is what it looks like. It's a lovely product. Now if you know me, you know that I love tea, but there was a time when I was a die-hard fan of coffee and I used to drink so much coffee that once I almost had a mini heart attack, and that was when I completely stopped. All of that put aside, even in today's date, if I literally can get a coffee, I would love having a coffee. It's just that I don't have it for my health reasons. So I love coffee for my skin, I love coffee for my hair, and then when Macafane came out with their whole range of coffee, I just could not wait. I had to get one of those. So this is what it is. Let's open it. Now, I currently have a couple more face masks and I ordered 2, so this was one of them. I have used the Himalayan charcoal mask from Body Shop before. That's a very nice mask, but the price, if I compare the Himalayan charcoal mask to this, is like very, I think it's 1/3 of that price, which makes it even more what do I call it, like I would like to try this. If this works in the same way as it claims, then why would I want to spend that much when I can get the same benefits from this, So this is actually for acne prone skin, which I have. Like my skin only needs a reason to start breaking out. It can do it over a cup of coffee, quite literally. So I've heard so much about this product, and the reviews on Nykaa were really cool. So wow, it's a huge quantity, and it comes with a, oh, this is so pretty. This is wooden, and I think this is just a spatula. I love the packaging. You see, they've put like so many different layers of this. So why I got this specifically is because it has salicylic acid, and you know how much my skin loves salicylic acid. So oh, it literally smells like cappuccino. Quite literally even better than cappuccino. You see the formula? It looks like coffee ice cream or something. It's really nice. I can't wait to try this one. Maybe very soon, and I will definitely review this because I have been so super excited about this, so why not? So let's see what's next. The next thing, okay, I had been waiting for to try out the e.l.f. cosmetics. I have tried them before, but it is newly launched in India and they have come up through Nykaa, so that was what I wanted to try. I was really looking forward to this palette. So if you are a college going student or something and you want a budget friendly and pocket friendly, and also I think quite little tiny makeup box friendly even as a travel size, this is one of the best palettes that you can get. It's literally 4 shades and it's a bite-sized eyeshadow. The shade is Cream and Sugar, and I'll tell you why I got this. They have I think 4 or 5 different shades, but the reason why I chose this is because, why can I not open this? Oops. See, this is when I go all nuts. It's not my fault, guys. It's not my fault. I'm not a bad person. It's the people who patch this so difficult that then it makes me want to go all nuts. Oh my god, this was hard. Do you see this? It was taped all the way and it's not even a simple glue, like literally hurt my thumb. Cut my finger. But you know what? Even though this looks like a very plasticky cover, it's not like it's very, it doesn't feel cheap. e.l.f. basically is the name of the brand, which means eyes, lips and face, and they have products for, as it says, eyes, lips and face. So this one palette here, you can use this as a base, as a nude product. Then you have a little shimmer right here. If you can see, it's a little shimmer, then there is a brown champagne sort of, and this right here can be used. So basically it's a smoke out palette. You can use it for smoking. Also, you can use the same shade for your eyebrows when you're traveling. So you can just carry one tiny thing, and look how cute this is. Like, it's smaller than the size of my palm. And the price is very interesting. I do not exactly remember how much I paid for this, but I'm going to definitely leave it down in the description box. I'm going to leave all the details and probably all the links of all the products I have ordered. Please do not forget to check the description box. So I really like it. If you want, you know what, we can do a little swatch this. So let's do the brown, let's do this, let's do this. Ooh, that's very pretty. How about this one? Yeah, I really like it. I was very excited for this one. Let's move on. I wanted to get this pink little blush, and this is from Kiko Milano. So my sister had commented on one of my older vlogs that she wanted me to do a very Korean inspired makeup look. So I'm going to try that out very soon, and that was the reason I wanted a very peachy blush. Like, I have one from I have like 4 or 5 blushes as of now, but they're all very nude or it's very pink. So I wanted something in between, like a very orangey summer friendly shade, and I think this is one of the best. I really love Kiko products. This one right here, I think it retails for $6.95 or something. Like, they have different ranges, but I was trying to pick up certain things which are like, very small in size, so I can make a different travel kit pouch now that I'll have to travel to office very soon. So this is the shade. It's such a pretty shade, and I cannot wait to try this on. My hand looks like a color palette. Isn't this pretty? This is super pretty. And the best thing, it doesn't have any smell. I'm going to try this out very soon, and I could not be any happier. here. The last thing is this in cosmetics that I have ordered, and this is a felt tip liner. So for the makeup buffs out there, if you know what a felt tip liner is, I do not really use eyeliners very often, and I'm not even a fan of it. I really like open eyes, but as a person who loves makeup, I strongly believe that your makeup kit should almost contain everything that is there to contain. Because it was a felt tip liner, I really wanted to try this out. I've never tried this kind of an eyeliner before. So again, okay, ELF really needs to work on the way it packages. It's really annoying. Like, you know, ideally this products, they have like this dotted line on the back which makes it very easy to just go like this, and this I can't even find that. Now how am I supposed to get like this out with my match? But the packaging is a bit of a challenge, which I don't like. The first impression about the package is really poor. I don't like the packaging at all. The product, yes, packaging, 0, maybe negative. It's like a pen. Oh, okay. I was hoping it's going to open from this end. It's a very fine line tip. So you know what, I do not want to try this on. So this is supposed to go dark even on eyeshadow. So since I literally have some eyeshadow here, let's see how, oh, it's jet black. See that? You know, I'll do one more. So I literally just touched it, and it's giving you such a dark line, which is super cool. And it dried immediately, which makes it even better. Not sure if it's smudge proof. It is. It is smudge proof. Is it waterproof? I don't know. Honestly speaking, I do not like waterproof eyeliners because sometimes it makes it very difficult to remove from your face, especially if you're not using a double cleanse or an oil. So that's the reason I don't really like waterproof eyeliners, but nevertheless I will do a review later and you can always tell. So let's move on. Is there something else in here? Okay, so let's move on. So the next thing is actually this. Now I used this today. I quite literally opened this and I used this today, so I will tell you. So this one here is by Botanica. This is a vitamin C and E hyaluronic. Oh, it's like I'm supposed to be. Okay, how difficult can it be? It's a vitamin A and E hyaluronic acid. I said it. Hyaluronic acid brightening face mask. And I tried it today. Honestly speaking, I was very impressed. It instantly brightened the skin. I'm not sure I'm going to do a proper review of this later. It felt like while I was trying to get it off my face, it felt like it had certain ingredients in it which made it cling to my face. So I literally had to go over and do a good wipe, like massage and circular motions for this to get off my skin. But it literally did what it claimed to do. It did brighten my face. My face looked so much more clean and glowy. So, and hyaluronic acid is actually a natural humectant, which means that it captures the moisture from the environment and pushes it into your skin. So it's very good. CNE is not even something that I have to talk to you about. We all know how good that is for the skin. So let me show you how this looks from inside. This has a cap which stays, and you can just, oops, okay, it goes here. So this again, it smells like orange bath soap from Lush or something. That's like a bath bomb or something. It's very nice. It's very citrusy, which I very much like. I love smelling something citrusy or something coffee on my face. So this was the second mask that I got today. I have two more. One is by Good Vibes, that's a gold mask, and the other one is by Plum. That is also again a tea tree face mask, which is supposed to be, it's a clay mask. I always like to apply some clay on my face, so I did order that. Do I really like it? I can't tell you. I do like the African black shea butter mud mask a lot more, but I left it home. My sister is using it, and quite literally last year I had a lot of pimples on my face. If you have been following me, I faded them all out, and now my sister uses it and she loves that product. So the second one here, What does this have? So I always tell you guys that I have very acne prone and oily sort of skin. So I literally wanted to try this out. This is by Minimalist. It's the Cepicum 3%. Cepicum is supposed to be chemical, probably. I don't know which is good for your skin. So it says 3% of Cepicum and oat moisturizer. This is practically for acne prone and oily skin, and I have read so much about it, and I think it's one of the nicest moisturizers that you can get for this price range. So I forgot to show you, I guess. This is what it looks like. It has a double cover, and this is what it looks like. I wanted to try this out for a very long time now. It has no smell, which is something I really like. People are moving away from conventional beauty products and switching more towards these clean products where it's fragrance free, it's paraben free. This was not the case like 10 years ago, but right now people are more focused and they are more aware, and they do love environment, so they are trying to use products which are just not good for them but also good for the environment.